I'm Chad Rishkis, Vice President of Commercial Operations for Arch MedTorque. Right now we are at the North American Spine Society in Chicago, Illinois. Our customers are spine OEMs, so they are here for their customers, which are the surgeons. There's a lot of B2B relationships that we build through these trade shows, a lot of new customers, projects that we find out about, and it's a great opportunity for us to build the relationship with our customers. We have our own product line of silicone handles, fixed, ratchet, and torque limiting. We also do handles that can be attached to custom instruments. We do a lot of customization, contract manufacturing of instruments that go on the handles, navigated instruments for spine surgery, and robotic instrumentation for spine surgery as well.